Hello learners. In this tutorial we will be learning how to style CSS form. Watch this video till the end. Please support this channel. CSS form. To style a CSS form, we generally use attribute selector to specifically style any input type of forms. For example, input type equals text, it will only select text fields. Input type equals number, it will only select number fields. Whereas to style text area we simply use text area property. Let's see a quick demonstration. We have created a simple form and now we are going to style it using CSS attribute selector. Using attribute selector we have styled only the text field. Now let's apply the same style property to all input field and modify the submit button of the form. Now let's style the text area as well. Do not forget to give your valuable suggestions in the comment box. This was all in this video. Thanks for watching this video. Like this video, share with your friends and subscribe to this channel.